If you sleep on your side but you tend to wake up with hip pain, back pain and shoulder pain, then the problem is likely to be your mattress. In this video, I'm going to go through what you should look out for and consider if you are a side sleeper looking for a new mattress. When you sleep on your side, the pressure build-up is always on your hips and your shoulders. So when you're buying a new mattress, it's super important to make sure it offers you pressure relief on these areas, but also keeps your spine nice and aligned. One factor to consider, which may be the most important thing to think about, is what exactly is inside your mattress that's going to offer you pressure relief on your shoulders and your hips. The best materials for this is memory foam, natural materials such as wool. You've also got latex, pocket springs, hybrid construction, and gel-infused materials. For side sleepers, memory foam can be a game changer as it moulds to your body's shape, cushions pressure points like your shoulders and your hips while keeping your spine aligned. That means less tossing and turning, better comfort and a more restful night's sleep. Wool is another great option for side sleepers because it's naturally breathable, helps to regulate your body's temperature and whisks away moisture while you sleep. It stays comfortable all year round, keeping you cool in the summer and cosy in the winter. Latex is ideal for side sleepers too because it provides you with a responsive support, cushions pressure points and helps your spine stay aligned. It's also naturally breathable and durable, keeping you cooler, comfortable and feeling refreshed. Pocket springs are great for side sleepers because each spring moves independently to support your body's natural shape. They help relieve pressure on your shoulders and your hips while providing targeted support and reducing movement transfer for a more comfortable and restful night's sleep. Hybrid mattresses are ideal for side sleepers too because they combine supportive pocket springs with comfort layers such as memory foam, latex or wool. You get the pressure relief and the cushioning for your shoulders and your hips along with the responsiveness from the springs, keeping your spine aligned. Gel-infused materials are a great option too because while they provide pressure relief and comfort, they also draw heat away from the body. They contour to your shape, cushion your shoulders and your hips, but at the same time promote a cooler, refreshing night's sleep. One thing that is just as important as choosing the right fillings for your mattress is choosing the right tension, especially if you are a side sleeper. You don't want something too firm or too soft. For example, if something is too firm, you can see here that the hip is sticking out of the mattress, and this means that your spine is not straight, and over time this can cause lower back pain. A common mistake that I come across all the time is side sleepers tend to pick a soft mattress. For some people this is right, but a lot of the time the mattress is too soft. As you can see here, your hip will dip too far into the mattress, and that means your spine also is not straight on this because it's just far too soft. What you need to look for is something just in the middle. You want something that's going to give you complete spinal alignment. Now, if you're lucky enough to be near a Land of Bed showroom, then please pop in and our bed experts will help to do this test for you on different mattresses. Another thing to remember when you are mattress shopping as a side sleeper is that your body weight can make a mattress tension feel different. To help you with this, we've made a handy guide which should help you decide what tension will be best for you. If you range between 9 and 11 stone, then you would be best on a softer medium to a medium tension mattress. If you are between 11 and 14 stone, then you would be best on a medium to firm tension. If you are between 14 and 16 stone, then you would be best suited for a medium to firm tension. And if you are over 16 stone, then we would suggest you opt for either a medium to firm or a firm tension. Extra firm is still an option you could consider, but you're best trying it out in person because there's a good chance an extra firm may be a little bit too firm on your side for your shoulders and your hips. So those are our main top tips and factors to think about before you buy a mattress as a side sleeper. Now, as you can see, we have a couple of beautiful showrooms that we would love to welcome you into and try out the mattresses that we have here. You can speak to our highly trained bed experts either here or online through live chat, email, or even just through a phone call. We are here to help you on your journey to a great night's sleep.